Are you tired of scrolling through a mile-long list of OneNote pages? Learn how to group them into clean subpages in under 2 minutes. We will cover two methods, the drag and drop trick and the right-click shortcut. Both take seconds. So the first thing you want to do is make sure all the pages you want to group are in the same section. This is important because OneNote can only create subpages within a single section, not across different tabs. So take a moment to move any pages you need into one spot. It is a simple step, but it saves you from having to redo all your work later. Now that you have everything in one section, the next step is to order them. Drag the pages so they sit directly beneath the main page you want to use as the header. Think of that top page as the folder that will hold everything else. So if you are organizing meeting notes, your main header might be something like Q3 planning, and then all your individual meeting notes go right below it. Just click and drag them into position. It is that straightforward. Now let us group them. We will start with the drag method. Click on the page tab you want to make into a subpage and drag it slightly to the right. You will see a small indent appear, and that is your cue that it is working. Release the mouse button, and boom, it is now a subpage nested right under your main header. You can do this with multiple pages at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, clicking each page you want, and then dragging them over together. It is a huge time saver if you are cleaning up a messy notebook. And if you mess up and drag too far, just drag it back to the left to ungroup it. No harm done. Alternatively, you can use the right-click method for the exact same result. Just right-click on the page tab you want to group and select the option that says Make Subpage. It is that simple. This method is perfect if you find it tricky to get the indent just right with dragging, especially on a laptop trackpad, and you can also use this for multiple pages at once. Just select them all, right-click, and choose Make Subpage. OneNote handles the grouping for you instantly, and that is all there is to it. You now have a clean, organized notebook with collapsible groups that make navigation effortless. No more hunting through a flat list of pages. Just click the little arrow next to your main header to expand or collapse all the subpages underneath. It is one of those small tricks that completely changes how you use OneNote. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!